Okay. I'm done. Now, I just need to cut this with a scissor. But, where did I put my scissor? Who on earth put the scissor up there? I might need some help.
The correct answer is B. If you somehow got it correct, congratulations, you are a genius. Now let's continue.
I needed help.
Oh my god, what is that? Oh my god! What is that?
Um, I actually do need your help.
What help?
Can you climb up there?
No, I can't.
My scissor is stuck up there and I need it for my project. So what do we do now?
Okay, let's jump. Just use a ladder.
But I don't have a ladder.
I have one.
You go. You go. You go. You go.
Aduh, capek banget.
No, stop.
You go. 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 You. Okay.